Let me start by saying that Surfshark has a huge server network. It works in over 100 countries, meaning you can connect from basically anywhere in the world on your Mac. It's also pretty fast too. I was able to browse, stream, download files, and play way too many video games than I should without having any noticeable decrease in speed. I did start to see some slowdowns on faraway servers, but that is very normal for most VPNs. It may have a few drawbacks that I'll get to soon, but as far as having a reliable server network and fast speeds, Surfshark is easily one of the best ones on the market. When it comes to security features, Surfshark, like every other VPN on the list, uses military-grade AES 256-bit encryption to protect your data. If you've never used a VPN before, don't let the jargon confuse you too much. It's as simple as wrapping your outgoing data in a line of protective coding that hackers can't read. On top of that, its no logs policy passed an independent audit, so you can rest assured that nobody is going to see your logs or internet activity. And most importantly, nobody will see how many hours I spent playing Overwatch. Unfortunately, there are a few areas that Surfshark could improve. It's not the best for use, especially in restrictive countries like Russia and China. And even though its data leak protection scored very highly in my tests, it is missing some data leak protections like other VPNs on my list. And while it's faster than most VPNs, it simply isn't as fast as some of the other top picks that we're going to talk about. Overall though, Surfshark is reliable, fast, and highly secure. But by far the best part is it is the most affordable VPN on my list. Check the links in the description for coupons to see what I mean. If we helped you pick out a new VPN today, or you just enjoyed my horrible puns throughout the video, then be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button down below.